Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card and memory card into your phone for the Samsung J2, as you can see right here. So all you have to do, just remove this back right here. There's a little hole. You can stick your nail or something in, something thin, and then pull it up and go all the way around and remove this thing. Once you remove the back cover, now you'll have to remove the battery just by lifting up right here. You lift it up and then pull it out. So here's your memory card, and then there's the SIM card slot. So SIM card goes in first. It shows which way it's supposed to be in right here. So the angle has to go like this. It has to be the right SIM card too. So you just stick it in like this, and then to pull it out, you just pull it out. So that's how easy to install and remove. Okay, now remove this thing. Now we can do memory card. Once you install SIM card, there goes on top your memory card. That's how easy to pretty much slide it in and then slide it out. And then put your battery in and install or remove, whatever you want to do it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.